Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a custom template or page in WordPress. I am going to demonstrate it on this random page, so let's get started. If you have an FTP account, go ahead and use it. If you don't have FTP, we need to use a plugin in order to access the theme directory. So let's go to plugins, add new, and here look for WP File Manager. Go ahead, install and activate the first result on the left. After doing so, you will have a new option open up on the left side in the WordPress dashboard sidebar called WP File Manager. So click on it and go to WP File Manager. Here you will need to access your theme directory. You can see that my current theme is already highlighted over here because I used it before. If you can't find it, go to WP Content and then Themes and then highlight your current active theme. If you don't know which theme you are using, you can go to Appearance, Themes, and you can see your active theme here on the left, and that's his name, 2020 Child. You probably have a different theme. Okay, so just highlight your current theme, right click here and choose new file. If you have the option to create a PHP file, go ahead and do it. Otherwise, if you don't find it, just click on text file, name it the way you want. Make sure it's a descriptive name without spaces. You can use dashes instead. In our example, I'm going to choose custom-landing-page, and instead of the txt, I'm going to change the extension to .php, just like that. Okay, we can see that the file was created successfully. Now we need to notify WordPress that we want to use this file as a template. So go to my blog post, you have the link in the description down below, and look for this command line. Copy it, and now we need to paste it in our new template file. So right click on it and go to code editor and paste this command line over here at the top. Now pay attention guys that the file name, custom landing page or whatever your file name is, need to match this section of the command, but over here you don't need to add the .php. Okay, just make sure they are matched. Click save, and now we can go to our random page by visiting the pages. We're going to look for our random page, click edit, and we can see our new template file underneath the templates over here in the list. We can choose it and publish it. Now when we're looking at the page, we can see that it's empty, which means it's working perfectly because WordPress knows that it's a template and it's executed. The reason that it's empty because we have nothing inside the template. So now we can pretty much put all the HTML, the design, the scripts that we want. A good practice to start designing our page is to copy the default layout and structure of our current theme and start working from there. So in our example, because I want to create a landing page, all I need to do is to copy the default structure and then just remove the functions that call the header and the footer. So we can get the default structure by going to Appearance and then Theme Editor. And here we need to look for the index.php file, page.php file, or singular.php file. Because we are on the child theme, we can't find it. You may be able to, but I don't. I will switch to the parent theme, and here I'm going to look for one of those three files. If I can't find the page.php, I should look for the singular.php, and if I can't find the singular, I should look for the index. I'm not going to copy the comment section, but I'm going to copy everything else. So I just copy everything. I'm gonna go back to our custom template, code editor again, and I'm going to paste it under the top comment that we created earlier. I'm going to paste it here, and I'm just going to make sure to delete the other comments over here, just like that. I'm going to save this file. I'm going to revisit the random page again, load it, and see that it's loading as normal. Okay, now because it's a different template, it's a landing page, I would like to cancel the header and also to cancel the footer and the footer widgets, just like that. Now when I save the file one more time, I'm going to reload the random page, just like that, and I'm going to see that the header and the footer disappeared, and I only have plain text, plain content, which is good. This is what I wanted. Obviously, it's not the result that I want. I need to design it more, but the template is working. I can move forward and design it as I wish.